Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we'll continue our SSC JEE 2011 Electrical Solutions. Thank you for your views and comments and subscriptions and sharing. The question here is, the resistance switching is normally employed in. The options are all type of circuit breakers, bulk coil circuit breakers, minimum oil circuit breakers, air blast circuit breakers. The resistance switching is normally employed in air blast circuit breakers. So as you can see here, so in air blast circuit breakers, the capacitance effect is more. That is nothing but current chopping. Current chopping phenomena is more in case of air blast circuit breakers. So that in order to avoid that, we are using resistance here. As you can see here, the voltage and time here, the voltage will have oscillatory in nature. The oscillatory restacking voltage here. Okay. So if you want to tamp out this restacking voltage, we have to use a resistance, and this resistance value is 1 by 2 square root of L by C. So very important formula for competitive exams. Resistance switching. So what is the value of resistance to tamp out the oscillations means R is equal to 0.5 into square root of L by C is the answer. The next question here is, making capacity of a circuit breaker is equal to. So making capacity M, it is always the maximum value or a peak value. So peak value, the symmetrical breaking current is nothing but say RMS value. So we want to convert RMS value to maximum value means we will multiply the symmetrical breaking quantity with root 2, and because of considering the doubling effect we will multiply it 1.8. So this is 1.8 because of doubling effect. So 1.8 into symmetrical breaking current. So if you multiply this, the making capacity SM is nothing but, so this is going to be 2.55 times that of symmetrical breaking current. The answer is A here. The next question on the screen is, a string insulator having 4 units. The voltage across the bottommost unit is 33.33% of the total voltage. That means, so there are 4 insulators. So V4 is nothing but 33.33% of the first insulator total voltage. So VT here. What is string efficiency? So string efficiency is equal to total voltage across a string divided by number of insulator discs in the string into the voltage across the the voltage across the string or insulator which is nearer to the conductor, that is say V1 here. Okay, so V4, that is here you can say V4 here. So V4 by Vt is nothing but 33.33% here. If we substitute here, how much we got? So 1 divided by n is 4 into 0.3333 here. So it is nothing but 75. If you multiply with 100 means it is 75% here. The answer is string efficiency is 75%. If they ask for derating factor, so derating factor means 1 minus string efficiency, 1 minus 0.75 is nothing but 0.25 as a derating factor if they ask. Okay. Next question is, sparking between the contacts of a circuit breaker can be reduced by inserting a capacitor in parallel with the contacts, a capacitor in series with the contacts, a resistor in the line, a reactor in the line. So just now we have seen in air blast circuit breakers we are using a resistance in series with the line. So as you can see from the figure here, we can increase. So as you can see here, we are inserting a resistor in series with this transmission line here. So a resistor in series with the contacts. Okay, not resistor or reactor. So okay, not capacitor. Next question. Which one is the disadvantages of oil when used as an arc extinguishing medium in the oil circuit breakers? During arcing, oil produces carbon particles. During arcing, oil produces hydrogen gas. Oil provides insulation to the live exposed contacts from the ether parts of the breaker. Oil provides good insulation between the fixed and moving contacts. So here we have seen that we can see that there is a oil circuit breaker in which the contacts are opening here like this. So when the contacts are opening here, the arc will struck, it will produce a hydrogen gas. But the main disadvantage here is when the it will produce a carbon particles at the surface of the conductors here. Okay, so carbon. So during the arcing, oil produces carbon particles. That means we say solid state here, solid state parts. Okay, so these solid state parts sometimes due to the fault occurs in the oil circuit breakers, they may fire. Okay, so there is a major drawback of this oil circuit breakers. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. We'll continue next session. If you like my video, please subscribe and comment and share. Thank you.